to all. Now, let us begin today with a new topic. We have studied what are the different operators, how addition, subtraction, multiplication, division can take place, what is the precedence of these operators, how to write a code. Now, let us study conditional statement. We've already seen logical and relational operators. Now, how to apply those operators? This is very important. So, to apply those operators, we use conditional statement. Now, conditional statement is written in the form of if statement in C language. Now, what is the syntax of if? We write if, then a bracket is put, and within this bracket any condition is written. The condition is maybe in the form of an expression, or it may be in any other form. The any condition is written, and after this, if suppose we have got only single statement, so depending upon the value of this condition can have only two values. Remember, either it can be true or it can be false. whatever you write within this ब्रैकेट ऑफ एफ, आप इसके अंदर बड़े से बड़ा एक्सप्रेशन लिख दो, उसके सिर्फ दो ही वैल्यूज पॉसिबल होंगी सी लैंग्वेज में, या तो वो उसे ट्रू मानेगा या फिर फॉल्स मानेगा. इफ इट इज ट्रू, द स्टेटमेंट विच इज रिटन जस्ट आफ्टर द इफ is executed, otherwise it is not executed. So how does this if works? If the condition is true, the statement written after if is executed, otherwise it is not executed. Let us see a small program. So let us write a small program. Hash include वगैरह सब है इसमें. Int a is equals to 10. Then we write, sorry, let's rub this thing. Then we write over here, if a is less than 20. Remember, we do not put a semicolon over here. We say if a is less than 20, printf high. And after this, we write one more printf hello. And then we end this program. Now, what will happen in this program? Let's try to understand this program. A variable a is being made, it is assigned a value 10. Then this, if it checks the condition whether the value of a is less than 20 or not. So it is true. So if it is true, the statement below the if, just below the if, is executed. So this statement is executed and we get high. And after this statement, remaining program is not affected by the if statement. It runs continuously. So it prints hello also. Now let's see another variant of if we want that this high should be executed only if condition is true. This was following. So high is executed only if condition is true. But if condition is false, then hello should be printed. In this case, hi, hello, both are printed. But if we want that hello should be printed only if the condition is false. So what to do? A small change we will do in this program, that at that time we will write a else over here. Now what happens over here? If it is true, high is executed. If it is false, then hello would be executed. So in this case, when a is less than 20, the output will be high. And if we change the value of a, let's make a as 40. So when we make a as 40, so this output comes when a is equals to 10. And when we make a is equals to 40, so 40 is greater than 20, then it will not go to true. It will go to false because of else. So it will go to else, and this hello would be printed in case a is 40. So this is how an if else statement works, or this is how an if statement works. If it is true, the statement below the if is executed. If it is else, the statement below the else is executed. But remember one thing, that with if statement, it is not necessary that we control only one statement. We can control block of statements. So how do we write block of statements? We write it within the brackets. So within the bracket, if it is true, all the statements which are within this bracket will be executed. And similarly, we can have for else also, we can have statements within the brackets, curly braces. So all these statements would be executed if the condition is false. So this is how what is if else block actually is. We can control more than one statement. And remember one thing, statements above if and statements below this else are not affected by this if else block. If else block controls only this much portion of the statements. So having said all these things, let us see a video now to solve a question for if else statement.